Hi everyone, my name is Karen and I'm the Associate Counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to a workshop on what to expect on college orientation. In this workshop, I will guide you through different things that you will be able to do and different things that you'll be able to experience at your college orientation. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with the different types of orientation that you might experience once you have been admitted to a college. First, we have overnight programs. These are the programs where, of course, you will be able to stay overnight because this program is 2 days long. There are one-day programs where you don't have to stay overnight. There are one-week programs. These programs have a variety of activities that are planned throughout the week. And finally, we have online programs. These programs are mostly designed for those students who are unable to attend the in-person orientation. Let's go over a list of what things should you bring to your college orientation. First, a backpack to carry all of your things, a water bottle because a college orientation does happen during the summer. You want to make sure you stay hydrated, a notebook in order to take notes, a laptop. A laptop will be required most of the time because during college orientation is the time you have the opportunity to register for classes. Writing utensils in order to take notes, a folder in order to organize all of the paperwork that you're going to be given, comfortable shoes, of course, because you will be walking a lot, and a government and/or a school ID since you will most likely need it to check in. You will be surrounded with a lot of students. Some orientations will require you to form part of a group in order for you to feel more comfortable, and these such groups will be formed of people who have similar majors as you, and of course will be guided by a current student whom the program will most likely call an orientation leader. Of course, these are the same students that will help you in guiding you and helping you navigate your college orientation. And there will also be opportunities for you to meet students outside of your major because some orientations also have other activities planned for you. Something else that you'll be able to do during college orientation is that you'll have the opportunity to eat at the campus dining area. Free food will be provided because you have already paid for the orientation. The food comes with that payment, and it helps you to get used to the food you'll be given throughout your 4 years that you'll be attending that institution. A campus tour. During college orientation, if it is an in-person one, you'll have the opportunity to set foot on the campus. So you can take a campus tour to get familiar with your home for the next 4 years that you'll be attending that institution and pay attention to where everything is located and where you'll be having classes. Maybe you can even ask the orientation leader where classes have they taken and where have they taken those classes so you can get familiar with the buildings in order for you to not get lost on your first day of school. This is one where a lot of students look the most forward to, which is academic advising and registering for classes. This is probably the most exciting part of orientation for a lot of students, but you'll only be able to register for your first semester/quarter classes. You will meet with your major advisors to get familiar with the general education requirements in order to graduate and your major requirements that you will need to graduate as well. You will also have the opportunity to review all of the classes You'll also have the opportunity to view all of the classes you'll need to take and probably plan your schedule for the next coming semesters as well. Placement testing. You may be required to take some tests depending on your major in order to determine what classes you should be signing up for. Of course, you don't want to sign up for very advanced classes if you're not ready for them. Such tests might be taken prior to your orientation. That is, maybe you had the opportunity to take them online, but they can probably also be offered during the program. Fun activities. Orientation programs also plan fun activities for the students in order for them to take a break from all of the academic stuff that they have learned throughout the program. So take advantage of these fun activities because it is a great opportunity for you to mingle with other students, outside of your major, for you to make friends in order for you to not be alone during your first few days of school, and to learn about activities that the campus offers throughout the year. Such activities can be hosted by clubs, resources, or by the orientation program staff itself. And finally, we have parent orientation. A lot of orientation programs have started including a parent program in order for it to make the transition much easier for both the students and for them, of course, because it's also a transition for them of their child going to college and probably leaving home. So these programs would inform parents and guardians about different resources, such as the resources available on campus for their students, how they can help their student with the transition, and how they can help their student with college itself, and how to communicate with their students. Maybe their student is going to a campus far away from home and they're worried that their student is not going to communicate as often with them, so these programs also serve as an opportunity for them to be knowledgeable of different ways that they can communicate with their students. And finally, here are some final things that I would like for you all to take away from this presentation. Orientation is a one-time opportunity, so take advantage and inform yourself of the useful things that the university offers. Orientations usually happen during the summer, and it's a great opportunity to get familiar with the campus as well. Pay attention to the social and academic opportunities that are offered during orientation, because there, of course, you will be Pay attention to the social and academic opportunities that are offered during orientation. Pay attention to the social and academic opportunities that are offered during orientation. There are a lot of students right there, so take that advantage of that opportunity to mingle with other students and pay attention to those academic opportunities. For example, opportunities for advancement, internships, jobs, maybe related to your major, etc. And finally, come prepared. As I mentioned, one of the beginning sites of what to bring, you should bring, for example, a backpack, a laptop, which is probably the most important thing because you'll need that to register for classes, a notebook to write notes, etc. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download our Plexus app. You can download our app on the App Store or Google Play. And if you download our app, you'll be able to receive instant notifications. We will also very much appreciate it if you leave us a rating and a review on the App Store or Google Play as well. We very much appreciate all the feedback you all can give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this video, or if you would like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And finally, check out our Plexus YouTube page for more college readiness workshops. Our Plexus YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next workshop. Bye.